Welcome back, students. This is our second part of silent letters, and we just looked at G, and now we are at H. We want to see which are these examples of these words that are silent, or that H is silent in these words. Example, we say honest, is very honest. Then we say our, then heir. She is the heir to the throne, an inheritance. Then your honor. Then we have egg. And then we have anchor. More words: archaeology, architect, archives, chaos, character. Then we have cholera, charisma, very charismatic. We have chemical. We have chemist. This is our chemist. We have the word chorus. We have the word choir. Then we have echo. We have the word lock, not lodge, but lock. Then we have shepherd, not shepherd. Then monarch. Then you have the word scheme. And then we have the word psychology. Yeah, psych. So you find that the the H is silent in those words. Now let's see letter I. Most of the time in letter I, we don't have so many words that have the I being silent. The best words are the first two. Then the other is because we have you, right? You. That means this I will not be heard. But the most or the best examples are the two. So we say business. Then we say parliament. Which letter is silent? I. No, parliament is parliament. The parliament is having a sitting day. Parliament, not parliament, are not business, but business. Then in this word where we have you and I is also termed to be silent, whereby you say cruise, not quiz, cruise, fruit, suit, fruit, and cruise. Because of the U is much more hard as compared to I, and that's why the I is silent in those words. Let's see letter K, and we have most of the time we have N and K and N. Most of the time the K is always silent. Knock on the door, knock. Knapsack, nail. Then we say needing. Then we have needy, then kneel, nail, new, more words with K being silent, knickers, knife, night, neat, no, knock, not, no, knowledge, knuckle. So we have all those words with K being silent. You will say no, but no. So the K is silent in those words. Remember, it's always nice to get it right and pronounce the word the way it's supposed to be pronounced. Then you have the next letter, which is letter L. And most of the time when you have L in these words, the L is not pronounced. We shall not say calm, no. but we shall say come, come. We shall say half, half, not half, half, no, half. Then talk, talk, walk, walk. More words, would, would, should, not should. You should, no, should. Calf, calf. Salmon, salmon. Yoke, yoke. Fork, fork. Bag, bag. So the L silent. Then we've got these words where the N is not supposed to be pronounced. And here we have a list of those words. We say autumn, column, column P, column. Then we say condemn, not condemn, condemn. Then dumb, him, and again we say solemn, solemn. So the N is silent in those words. The next letter is P, whereby the P is not pronounced anytime we are saying these words. The first word is psychology. Psychology. We talk about a disease known as pneumonia. Pneumonia. Then we say pseudo. We talk about psychiatrist. Psychotherapy. Psychotherapy. Psychotic. Psychotic. Then we talk about receipts. Then we say cause. Cause. After that, we have coup. There is a coup. Not a coup, but a coup. The P is silent. Then we have letter S, where we have S being silent in the following words. So the first one is island, not Israel, right? It's island. The S is silent. Aisle. They walk down the aisle, but not the aisle. It's aisle. Then we have apropos. Apropos. The S must be there in the spelling, but it's not pronounced. You will say apropos. No. You will say apropos. S is silent. Then we have debris. Debris. The S is silent. Foul power. Foul power. Not foul pass. Then rendezvous. Rendezvous, but not rendezvous. Rendezvous, S is silent. This is an islander, not an Islander, but an islander. So let's get to letter T and also get some of the examples of the word that the T is silent. We say apostle, 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 apostolic faith, apostle. Then bristle, bristle, not Bristol, bustle, castle, castle. And then we talk about fasten, not fasten, but fasten. Again, just like when it comes to the word often, that most of us say so, it's wrong, it's supposed to be said often, often. So fasten, we have glisten, hassle, hustler, hassle, jostle. More words, listen to what I'm saying, not listen. Listen, moisten. We have this word, loans on building houses, not mortgage, but mortgage. T being silent. Then we have nestle. Then we have rustle, whistle, trestle, whistling, whistle, and wrestling, wrestle. T is silent. Now let's also look at another letter where it's silent. You talk about bucket, biscuit, biscuit, not biscuit, biscuits, build, circuit, circuit, disguise, guess, guide, guilt, guilt, guilty, guise, guitar, rock, still hot, colleague, and tab. Letter W. We have Ari, playwright, sword, not sword, sword, rapper, rag, rep, rep, wreckage, wrench, wrinkle, wrist, right, wrote, wrong, read, wrong, wrote, run, and rhyme. Then we have a simple exercise on this. Identify the silent letters in this one. The first one is data, so you know from my pronunciation which is the silent one. Then we say I'll, you also know. So the next one, all those sentences or those words, you're supposed to get the silent letter. And that brings us to the end of our lesson. And I wish you a very lovely day. And ensure you pronounce well to avoid being misunderstood of what you are conveying. Thank you very much.